To utilize the Blackbox AI image to code feature, begin by accessing the website and signing into your account or creating one if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see a prompt that says, Ask. This is where you can initiate the image to code process. First, upload an image by clicking the upload icon, which will allow you to select a file from your local files. After uploading the image, it will be loaded into the system, and a workspace will be created. You can then type a message in the message box, such as generate HTML and CSS code for this image, or specify the type of code you want generated, like a website or login page. Send the message, and you'll be given the option to start an interactive chat session or continue with the image to app feature. Choose the latter, which will use the image as a starting point to build a fully functional application with the AI-powered app builder. Wait for the code to be generated, and once it's complete, you'll be able to view the app and customize it further. You can also click on the code button to view the generated HTML code, copy it, and use it as needed. This process allows you to convert an image into code using the Blackbox AI feature.